In this video, I'll show you how to clear Discord cache. First, head over to your Windows desktop screen. You can do this by minimizing any open applications or simply pressing the Windows plus D keys on your keyboard. Once you're on your desktop, look towards the bottom of your screen and you will see Windows Explorer. Click on this search bar and type in %appdata%, then press enter. This command is a shortcut that takes you directly to the app data folder, which stores various application data, including Discord's cache files. After pressing enter, you'll see a list of folders and files. These represent data for different applications installed on your computer. Look through the list and locate the folder named Discord. Once you find the Discord folder, double-click on it to open. This folder contains all the data and settings related to your Discord application. Inside the Discord folder, you'll see several subfolders. The ones we want are Cache Code Cache and GPU Cache. Each of these folders contains temporary files that help Discord run more efficiently, but over time, these files can accumulate and cause performance issues. Double-click on the cache folder to open it. You'll see a list of files and possibly some subfolders. These are the cached files that Discord has saved to speed up your experience. Same is the case with Code Cache and GPU Cache. To clear the Discord cache, simply select all these three folders, right-click on them and choose Delete. After you've deleted the files in all the three folders, the cache for Discord has been successfully cleared.